rolling with me. Play no game, play no games, cause ain't nobody playing with me. I got love for my niggas on my family tree. I got love for the ghetto, down for whatever. If you was down before, then you still gon' be down with me. I got game, cause the game was given to me. Say my name, cause ain't nobody tighter than me. Give it up, if you like the way I'm rockin' this beat. I don't know nothing better, chasing my cheddar. You in love with a whore, you ain't never listen to me. Save her, look her cause she hanging on me. She can't hang, cause I ain't looking for a wifey. Just in case, I better take a weapon with me. When these hoes get clever, down for whatever. If she stress me some more, I'll lead her hell of dead in hell. Funny how the haters, they be all in the mix. When they know it ain't gon' get no better than this. Can't they see we ain't some niggas they wanna diss. EPG, I love a trick never, treat a bitch never. I told you before, so you better not be fucking with me. All you ever see on my neck, diamond rings. As long as I can keep her in check, all the same. As long as you don't ever forget. I was taught in the ghetto, quite a tight fellow. If she head for the stash, I always got a stuff to leave. Constantly, we bust into a hell of a beat. Think we came, the bass will knock you off of your feet. Just that deep. I bet you we be moving your feet. Boys kinda mellow, face from the ghetto. If you still want some more, go and get the fucking seat. My homies who be rolling with me. Play no games, cause ain't nobody playing.